is a global state emergency. All regular programming is suspended for this emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this alert. The White House has been requested to participate in this emergency broadcast. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept for emergency use only. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government, the National Weather Service, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Please do not turn off your TV. At approximately 11:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Arctic blast that hit the U.S. is now hitting the world. Almost every country has been frozen, and billions of people have died due to deadly hypothermia or instant frostbites as a result of being outside. Just recently, a fog has hovered over the west coast, freezing everyone instantly, and visibility is 0 miles per hour. This is because the distance of the Sun and Earth, according to NASA, has been getting farther and farther every second, which all of a sudden will make us become the new Neptune, where temperatures are freezingly cold. There is unfortunately no way to stop this situation. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. Gather your